Hello students, in lecture 5 we are going to discuss about blood pressure. So what is blood pressure? The pressure at which the blood is pumped around the body by the heart is called blood pressure. As you already know that heart is responsible for pumping the blood throughout the body. So the pressure at which the blood is pumped around the body by the heart is known as blood pressure. The blood pressure of a person is always expressed in the form of two values. First, systolic pressure and diastolic pressure. So what is systolic pressure? The maximum pressure at which the blood will leave the heart through the main artery aorta during the contraction phase is called systolic pressure. Mean when the heart will contract, the blood will move into the main artery aorta, and this aorta is further connected to smaller arteries and capillaries. So the maximum pressure at which the blood will leave the heart through the main artery aorta during the contraction phase of the heart is called systolic pressure. And this pressure is high because it maintains a steady flow of blood in all the arteries towards the capillaries. Why? Because as you know, a steady flow of blood is required throughout all the arteries and capillaries. So to maintain that steady flow, this high pressure is maintained in the main artery. Fine. The minimum pressure in the arteries during the relaxation phase of heart is called diastolic pressure. Means when the heart is at the relaxation phase, the minimum pressure in the arteries at that moment is known as diastolic pressure. Clear? The normal blood pressure values are systolic pressure 120 mm mercury and diastolic pressure 80 mm mercury. This is usually written as 120 by 80. High blood pressure is also called as hypertension. Usually this high blood pressure is caused when there is narrowing of small artery which results in increased resistance to blood flow. Means these arteries get narrower, due to which there will be resistance to the blood flow, which will cause higher blood pressure. Fine. Very high blood pressure can lead to rupture of an artery and internal bleeding as well. You should remember these values, that the systolic pressure is 120 millimeters of mercury, or you can say mm of mercury. Diastolic pressure is 8 mm Hg. Clear? So how to measure blood pressure? Blood pressure is measured by using an instrument called sphygmomanometer. It is called as sphygmomanometer. I am repeating it again. Blood pressure is measured by using an instrument called sphygmomanometer. Here you can see a rubber cuff. Here you can see a rubber cuff, which is a flat rubber tube, is wrapped around the person's arm. The rubber cuff is inflated by pumping air into it to give a pressure of about 200 mm mercury to the brachial artery which runs down the arm. This pressure can be seen on the scale of the instrument. Here scale is present na? You can see the reading over there. If a stethoscope is now placed on the artery of the arm, no sound is heard through it. With stethoscope still placed on artery, the cuff pressure is reduced gradually by deflating it. The cuff pressure when the heartbeat is first heard as a soft tapping sound through the stethoscope give us the systolic pressure. The cuff pressure is reduced further. The cuff pressure is reduced further by deflating it more and more. The cuff pressure when the tapping sound in stethoscope just disappear give us the diastolic pressure. Means when you have put the stethoscope over here, The cuff pressure when gradually is reduced by deflating. The cuff pressure when the heartbeat is first heard as a soft tapping through the stethoscope give us the systolic pressure, and when the pressure is further reduced by deflating it more, the tapping sound in the stethoscope just disappear will give us the diastolic pressure. Clear? Further, some important terms. Heartbeat. One complete contraction and relaxation of the heart is called heartbeat, and heartbeat of a person at rest is 70 to 72 per minute. Pulse. The expansion of an artery each time blood is forced into it is called pulse. Means the expansion of the artery when the blood is pumped through it is called pulse. The pulse of an adult person resting is 70 to 72 per minute. So this is the whole lecture. Next lecture we will be taking excretion. Clear? Thank you so much.